So the real reason we have is we think that AI is a really important technology. I think right now everyone's using language models, computer vision models, using analysis, using AI, and we think that such an important technology right now should be developed in Japan, or at least Japan should have the know-how on producing this technology for its own needs. And from what we thought was most of the AI technology is either developed in the US or in China, and there's room for an advanced nation such as Japan to cultivate its own AI ecosystem with strong R&D companies in the AI space. So I tweeted this around 2 years ago, and that was what I set out to do, and we're hopefully doing that. So we wanted to build a world-class AI R&D company in Japan. We didn't want to build a company just copy whatever the US is doing, produce some apps to mimic what other people are doing. We wanted to have a truly world-class AI R&D company with original R&D and original products and services developed in Japan for Japan. So even our company is registered in Minato-ku as a kabushiki kaisha, and there's no overseas Delaware corporation or whatever. It's really a Japanese company. So in our seed stage, we actually got investments from both Silicon Valley investors, Lux Capital and Costa Ventures, but luckily also received investments from partners in Japan such as NTT, KDDI, and Sony. So we started building in Japan, and within a year after the R&D, which I'll talk about later, we're fortunate enough to also get Nvidia as a partner and a strategic investor into our company with NEA and other top Silicon Valley VC. So from there, we were able to secure the backing of several large Japanese corporations as strategic investors. So the mega banks, the insurance companies, the trading houses, and so on. And my thinking is getting the large Japanese companies to invest as strategic investors allows us to work closer with them to deploy AI technology. And I'll talk more about that later on as well. So many people ask, why do you start a company in Japan? What are the advantages of starting an AI company in Japan? And I can name 3 main advantages. As I mentioned earlier, we identified a country-company fit. So people talk about product market fit. And we think that there's room for a leading AI R&D company in Japan, and that was one of our hypotheses. And it turns out to be kind of true. We were able to develop great R&D and also build a brand within the first year in Japan.